Morning all, Damp Sam here. This job at Bramley, in Leeds, we've got the floor down on top of the membrane, and I must say it feels a lot warmer already. And the floor is not straight, it's not been dug out, but idea was that we just had something to walk on. So it's all glued together. Once this stuff sets, that can be scraped off. And because of airflow that you've got in here, I reckon you could probably store stuff down here. I think it's going to be really dry. Come this way. So this is a view from this end. A little bit of glare there, but I'm chuffed a bit sweet. I think they will be. They can stick gas pipe back on, they can put all the fixtures back in, and if they want to, they can convert this into a space that's all they have to do is stick membrane on wall, tuck it into there, stick membrane on wall, tuck it into the bottom of the skirting, seal it up, and this will be really dry. So that's if they wanted to have it as a dry usable space. There's no drainage down here. Like I said before, that weren't the remit that we were given. All it was so when cleaner comes down, or if anybody comes down to read meter, they're not going to be trailing stuff on the feet back up through carpet. It's going to be nice and clean. They can sweep it up, and if she wants, she can store a few things down here as well. But that's what we've got so far. Take you up and you can have a look at their brick housings, what I've stuck in. Excuse me. So we've done this morning. Stuck that lid on top of there. You've got your air brick, you've got your other air brick, you've got your air brick house in here, air flowing through property. Subfloor it on the other side. Now we've stuck them on with Natsem. So I did that so it could be walked on yesterday. And now it'll shift that. So any rain that comes down, you've got your overhangs, that'll drip onto there and run away. Run that way at rain. You're not going to get rain inside property. We've sealed all across that wall angle. And then obviously my next job, I'm just going to get all them air bricks down there, and then you've got 3 at front. So there's loads and loads of air going around subfloor. We've sealed floor above it so that you're not getting any cold drafts. So all that air is going to stay downstairs. And I've somehow got to try and get some storm dry on there. So I'll fetch me ladders, but there's all that rubbish in where, so that might have to be a job for another day. Might be able to do this bit here, do this strip underneath window, and we'll see how we go. So enjoy the rest of your Thursday. If you have any questions, stick them on here. See you later.